boil.
Oh yeah, seasoned perfectly.
First, we're gonna boil some potatoes and add some Cajun seasoning. Great value frozen corn. I don't like my sausage boiled, so I'm gonna cook this in the skillet. This is the crab meat we're using. This is the cheapest I could find. It was $4 something at Walmart. I'm gonna cook these in the air fryer. If you boil these, they'll fall apart. This is already cooked, so you just gotta reheat it. I'm about to season it with the same seasoning and some butter and just throw it in the air fryer for a few minutes. To make our butter sauce, we're gonna melt some butter. And we're gonna season it with our favorite Cajun seasoning. I like mine extra spicy, so I'm gonna be adding both of these. And this is our flavored butter. Now that the potatoes and corn are almost ready, we can add our shrimp to the boil so they don't overcook.